Welcome back to Smart Prep, your daily dose of GMAT Quant practice. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification. Let's dive into today's question. There are only nickels, dimes, and quarters in a piggy bank. If the number of the quarters is twice the number of the dimes and number of dimes is twice the number of nickels, what is the ratio of total value of quarters to total value of nickels? Now, GMAT requires you to understand and know what is the conversion for nickels, dimes, and quarts. Let's understand. One nickel, just remember, one nickel, that is nothing else but 5 cents. Similarly, one dime is equivalent to 10 cents. And one quarter, that is 25 cents. So you should be knowing the conversion of nickel, dime, and quart. That helps you a lot in a lot of question type. So starting with, now the question says if the number of the quarts, how many quarts are there? We don't know. How many nickels are there? We don't know. Similarly, dimes. Let's say the number of nickels are n. Number of the nickel coins, that are n. Number of dime, that is d. And number of quarter, that is q. So can we say, according to this sentence, the number of the quarters, that means number quarters, that is q, is equal to twice the number of dimes, that is 2 times of d. Similarly, number of dimes, that is d, is twice the number of nickels, that is n. That means what can be said from this, q is equal to 2d and d is equal to 2n. That means q will be, substituting d here, it will be nothing else but 2 times 2n. That means q is 4n, right? Now, what is required in the question? This is given to us. Q is equal to 4 times n. Now, total value of the quarts. So what is the total value of quarters divided by total value of nickel? Total value of nickel, right? So how much is the total value of quarters? How many quarters are there? There are q quarters and each quarter value is 25. So can we say total value of the quarters must be 25q? And how much is total value of nickel? There are one nickel is for 5 cent and total n nickels are there. That means total value of nickels must be 5n. Now simplifying further, 5 gets cancelled out. So that means 5q upon n. And we know that q is 4n. So we can substitute value of q as 4n. So 5 times 4n divided by n. This gets cancelled. So that means 20:1. That's our answer for the total value of quarts to total value of nickel. That is option D being the correct here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up.